Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to perform a clean reinstall of games on Steam. This process is useful when you're experiencing issues with a game or want to ensure all files are fresh and properly installed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam window, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several menu options there, and you'll want to click on Library. This will take you to your games collection where you can manage all your installed titles. In the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Find the game you want to clean reinstall and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your mouse over Manage. This will expand a submenu with additional options, and from there select Uninstall. This is the first step in removing the game from your system. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the game. Click Uninstall to confirm your choice. Steam will now begin removing the game files from your computer. This process ensures that the main game installation is removed, but sometimes leftover files remain that can cause issues later. To ensure a truly clean reinstall, you need to delete any leftover files manually. Open disk drives on your computer. In the left panel, click on the local disk where you installed your Steam games. This is typically your C drive or whichever drive you chose during Steam installation. Double-click on Program Files x86. This folder contains most of your installed programs and is where Steam typically stores its data. From there, double-click on Steam to open the Steam installation folder. Next, double-click on Steam Apps. This folder contains all the game-related files and data. Now double-click on Common. This is where the actual game folders are stored. Look through the folders here and check if the folder for the game you just uninstalled is still present. If the folder is still there after uninstalling, delete that game's folder only. This ensures that any corrupted or leftover files won't interfere with your fresh installation. Go back to your Steam library, find the game you just uninstalled, and click on it to begin the reinstall process. Steam will now download and install the game fresh. After the installation completes, let's pretend that the installation is done and we're ready for the final verification step. In the left panel, right-click the game you just reinstalled and select Properties from the menu. This will open the game's Properties window where you can access various settings and tools. In the left sidebar, click on Installed Files. This section contains options for managing the game's files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This important step will check all the game files against Steam's database to ensure everything was installed correctly and no files are corrupted or missing. Steam will automatically replace any problematic files it finds during this verification process. And that's it. You've successfully performed a clean reinstall of your game on Steam, which should resolve most issues related to corrupted or missing files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.